Hello, Connor Beers here, and this video is dedicated to the progress report update to my team. Again, we'll be working on a solar-powered LED security system. With that being said, this system will be able to be placed outside and essentially charge a battery during the day using solar collectors, and then during the nighttime, the batteries should collect enough power to charge a series of LEDs. Now, the LEDs are going to be laid out in kind of like something you'd see in an outdoor courtyard type of thing, where there's buildings around, and I'm anticipating maybe about 4 or 5 different beacons for series of LEDs. And so if one goes out of power or doesn't have enough power, it can communicate to another one using Dragon Board microcontroller to draw power from another battery source from another one of the beacons. And with that being said, at this point I've gathered a bunch of research of photovoltaic silicon solar cells and kind of how they link to an LED and how they can charge a battery, and essentially the setup of them, and just overall just research on them and how they work. And I have a preliminary cut sheet of the sensor I would like to use. When the sensor is implemented, the sensor will be able to detect motion to trigger the LEDs. So the LEDs are never really going to be on totally until motion is picked up. And so also I have, other than that, I have the solar cells picked out. Here's one of them. Then I have a series of the LEDs for the system like that. And moving forward over intercession, I think the objective and the goal is to kind of test the solar cells and see if it can charge a battery, and then use the battery just use the battery on anything. And then that's the main goal over intercession. And then also to kind of try to put together like a schematic or a layout of the system. And I think over the time of the intercession, that shouldn't be too difficult. It'll be mainly hardware type stuff, and then get to a point where the system is basically set up. And then for the next semester in robotics design, we can essentially work on the code for the sensors, and then the code for the messages being sent when there's a problem, or the messages being sent when there is an intruder. And so basically this semester, the work I've done is a lot of organization, a lot of project management aspects, and then I did a lot of research on just solar collectors themselves and the linkage to an LED. And then moving forward, like I said, I think that just a lot of testing to be done over intercession. I will be up at campus here and there to do these tests, and stay tuned for the completion of the project towards the end of the next semester. Thank you.